KJ4 Zulu Mike Victor here. Man, I was using one hand, so this is part 2 of the unboxing. As you can see, I took it out of the box here, and I have it here on the desk. This thing is heavy, so I had to use both hands in order to take it out of the box. So let's continue. We've got some tape up here. It's a beautiful radio. Oh man, I can't wait. And they really take care of it, you know. See that plastic off. Oh man, look at this. Wow. Oh boy. Wow, look at this. They really protect this radio. Oh man. God, look at that. Wow. Man. Nice. And they got the S in transceivers now. At first, the original versions, they was missing the S out of transceivers. But they have the S in there. Oh man, the VFO is weighted. It feels very nice. Very nice. Oh man, I'm gonna have a great time with this. The buttons feel nice and tight. Let's see. Get the smell. It smells pretty good. It smells new. So, all right. That's the unboxing, y'all. It's a beautiful rig. I'm really excited about the FTDX 5000 MP Limited. And it's an awesome rig. It's going to be shadowing the 991 is going to be shadowing the 5000. And let's see the back of the radio. It's got a whole bunch of ports back here. Tape everywhere. God, look at that. Man, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have years and years of fun. This is my radio that will take me into retirement. So, there you go, YouTube. It's the all-new FTDX 5000 MP Limited, okay? All right, guys. Until next time, you can catch me on the air. KJ4 Zulu Mike Victor 73.